Hey everybody, welcome back to Outdoorsey Adventures. Today I'm not out camping. I'm right here in my home, in my driveway, but I'm doing something that's just as important. I'm taking care of all my gear and checking it for my next adventure. Between trips, I like to set up my tent. I go through all my gear and do a little cleaning, take care of the small maintenance task. It's a great way to stay organized and make sure that nothing surprises me when I'm out there in the wild.
Boots hit the trail at the break of day. Backpack loaded, I'm on my way. No map needed when your soul's aligned. Nature's your compass and a peaceful mind. Challenge yourself, embrace the wild. Climb that ridge like a reckless child. Campfire smoke and the sky.
Well, now that I have my gear unloaded, I'm going to set up my tent on my truck because the last time I used it, I noticed it was getting pretty dirty. So I want to kind of clean it up. And I also noticed I have a small little rip. I've got to try to figure out how to repair that. So let's go ahead and set up the tent and get it cleaned up.
Evening lights through canyon lines. Challenge yourself, embrace the wild. Sleep under the stars once in a while. Campfire smoke and the sky so wide. Freedom's a flame that burns inside. From red rock heat to the whispering snow. Footsteps steady, I'm letting go. Pushing our limits just to feel alive.
As we've shown several videos before, this is the Rightline truck tent that we're going to set up. And I've had this for over 2 years now, and it's been a very good tent. It's just showing some wear and tear, so I need to just do some maintenance on it.
With the campfire heart, push your limits, embrace the skies. Adventure lives where the wild wind flies. Stay outdoorsy, forever free. Living wild with you and me.
I'm using a very mild detergent. You can hardly even tell there's anything there. And just a regular old sponge mop. And it's mostly just water. And just doing a quick wipe down. Next, I'm just going to go over with some rags and just kind of lightly towel it off. I think so many people, and I'm just as guilty probably, get through the camping trip and you unload and just don't even open that tent up again until the next trip. And very important to inspect them, keep them clean. They'll last you a real long time if we take care of them. Okay, I think that'll do it for now. Like I said, I got a couple of repairs I need to do, so I'm just going to let that dry for an hour or so. It's pretty warm. Got direct sunlight on it. Shouldn't take long to dry. We'll let that dry. In the meantime, let's go take a look at our gear. All right, y'all seen this plenty of times in the past. This is my gear box. It's just a plywood box. I like to collect these stickers. This memento of where I've been. Well, it's fun to go back and look at them. Having a little kickstand on the lid. Well, I just go through my gear, make sure everything's in work condition. My knives, I need to go through and do a quick sharpen on all my knives and my hatchets. This hatchet I need to work on. Clean all my camp gear. My glasses, they all need to be cleaned. Check my fire starter to make sure I have plenty of fire starter. I need to go through my lights and make sure everything's charged. Check my first aid kit. Make sure if I've used anything like Band-Aids. Make sure I don't have anything expired. That's basically what I do. I just go through my camp gear, test everything out, make sure everything works. If it needs batteries, I put batteries in it. If it needs charging, I charge it. Check my propane bottles, make sure they're all full. All right, well, here's the rip I was talking about. It's just on this sleeve that the tent pole runs in. It's not actually in the body of the tent, so there's no harm or fear from leaking or anything like that. It's just where the pole slides through. So normally what you would use to repair something on a tent like this would be something called seam grip, or tenacious tape is really what you would want to use right here. Seam grip's more for like pinpoint holes, but tenacious tape is a clear tape that would really work well in this application, but we don't have any. So what we're going to use is just good old-fashioned Gorilla Tape. So that's what we're going to use on this. So my thinking with this Gorilla Tape is just to run it right down this seam. It should be pretty good because the tent pole being already installed in here will kind of give us a good firm surface to tape to. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure we have a good clean surface, is I'm just going to use some of these alcohol prep pads just to clean the surface real well, to make sure I don't have any oils, anything like that on there. And then next, I'm just going to, this is really wide Gorilla Tape, so I think it'll be perfect for running along this seam of this pole. As you can see, it's really wide and very, very durable. So what I'm going to do is just run it right down the edge of that seam like that, making sure it's stuck really well like that. And then I'm just going to roll it over. Got a nice firm seal. And it doesn't quite go over all the way on this side, so what I'm going to do, just going to roll out another piece and put it starting on this side along the edge of the seam. Just like that. Rolling it over. I think that's really good. Feels very firm. I think it'll work. It may look hideous, but you know what? If it works, is it wrong? Well, I don't know. It looks like it's going to work. Time will tell. Like I said, it's just my tent, and a lot of times the rain flies over that part, so it won't ever show. So next we're going to address these tent poles and the tension in them. I've already taken out the pole that goes through over the door and released the tension on that side. So what we need to do here, release this pole, and I'm going to pull it out of that other side over there so we can get the tension off. So now that we have the tension off of it, you can see how it's just going to hang there. So I think what we need to do, pull this cap off right here, and then all we have to do is tighten up the shock cord. I've already replaced the shock cord once in this tent poles, so I probably just need to go back and adjust it so it'll snap together quicker and hold together quicker. So all I'm doing is just pulling the shock cord out like that, pinching it with this hand, and all I'm going to do is tie an overhand knot right here. Just a simple overhand knot, just like that. And then let it go back in. Let's test it. That works. That's a little better. I think we can get a little tighter though. So that'll work just fine, I believe. That snaps together nice. So now all we need to do is trim it and burn the end of it so it doesn't unwind. And put our cap back on. Yeah, that holds together nice. So well, that's my outdoorsy gear routine when I get home. You know, it just takes a few hours to go through your gear, check everything out, make sure everything's in good working condition. You check your zippers, you look for little small tears, just make sure everything's working right. Go through your gear, make sure everything's sharp, clean, and ready to go for the next time. You know, taking care of your gear means when you get out in the camp, your gear's going to take care of you. Until next time, push your limits, embrace nature, and stay outdoorsy. Thanks for coming along. That burns inside. Wheels on the dirt, hear the mountain hum. Sun on my back and the silence comes. Tent gets hitched beneath the pines. Evening lights through canyon lines. Challenge yourself, embrace the wild. Sleep under the stars once in a while. Campfire smoke and the sky so white. Freedom's a flame that burns inside. From red rock heat to the whispering snow. Footsteps steady, I'm letting go. Pushing our limits just to feel alive. Carry that spark that helps us thrive. Challenge yourself, don't play it safe. Find your soul in an open space. Campfire smoke and sky so wide. Freedom's the flame that burns inside. Stay out to sea, play your part. Carry on with the campfire heart. Push your limits, embrace the skies. Adventure lives where the wild wind flies. Stay outdoorsy, forever free, living wild with you.